Are you ready to embark on a life-changing journey in one of the most beautiful countries in the world? South Korea awaits you with open arms. Through the EPIC Teacher Training Program, you can immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of South Korea while preparing to teach English. Imagine being less than an hour away from the vibrant city of Seoul, with its bustling streets and endless opportunities for exploration. Your adventure begins with a week of in-depth cultural orientations, including a welcome dinner, a tour of the local neighborhood, and a visit to the majestic Gyeongbok Palace. Experience the thrill of a taekwondo class and learn the secrets of South Korean cookery and language. Incheon, your home base, offers unique experiences like jjajangmyeon in Chinatown and fresh seafood at the Suri Pogu fish market. Incheon's beautiful beaches and local islands provide the perfect escape for relaxation and adventure. The program's holistic approach includes a week of cultural immersion followed by 3 weeks of intensive teaching practice. You'll complete 2 full days of practical teaching at a local Korean school, gaining valuable feedback from experienced instructors. Week 1 focuses on foundational language lessons, cultural do's and don'ts, and the socio-economic and religious history of South Korea. In Week 2, you'll learn to plan and teach conversational English, with regular grammar refreshers. Week 3 hones your skills in teaching reading and listening techniques for learners of all ages and abilities. The final week concentrates on classroom management and effective curriculum design, ensuring you're ready to lead your own class. Accommodation options include shared or private rooms, with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. The training center is conveniently located just a 5-minute walk from your accommodation, making your daily commute a breeze. Upon completion, you'll receive an accredited TEFL certificate, opening doors to teaching opportunities worldwide. For a small additional fee, the partner organization in Seoul can arrange work placements for TEFL graduates. Teaching in South Korea offers a vibrant experience with competitive salaries, allowing you to save money while exploring the country. English is widely spoken in cities like Seoul, but you'll find varying levels of proficiency in smaller towns. Join the ranks of native English-speaking teachers in high demand, and make a lasting impact on the lives of South Korean students.